morning.
Morning.
We are at Summit Point Raceway, throwing in some Amsoil 1040 in Emirates after rider training in New Jersey Motorsport Park, and the track is wet. It's been raining all night, all morning, and it's going to rain all day, which kind of sucks for learning the track. Never been here before. So check out the pit though, Marianne. We got the tiki lights going.
Pirelli. Tiki light.
I gotta put the rain tires on to go learn the track. I'm using the Amsoil 1040 Premium right now.
Think you're done with that bottle.
Yeah. I think one more. This 1040 can go in your truck, your RV, your motorcycle, your race car, your Corvette, whatever.
Because it has all the GSO.
It's JSO MA for motorcycle, but it's also good for diesel. It's got you can do the CJ diesel applications and API, you know, SL, SJ, SH, CI 4+ for diesel, CF, all that stuff. JSO MA, blah 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 blah. Wet clutch compatible, ISO LEMA. So it's one and all. So
one and all.
The other motorcycle oil, the actual motorcycle oil, is JSO MA2. So a little different wet clutch with that JSO setting. So they both work really well. It's just a little different feel, or really you don't even know. Anyways, hopefully we'll get on track here later today. Learn the track, Summit. Cheers.